This is why we're rebuilding the block. Bad timing. Half-assed timing.
Look at that crack.
All the way down to the middle.
Ain't no stopping me, I drum inside of me. I'm paying for these bullets you gon' get for free.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Oh, shit.
Oh, there it is.
What?
Hey, I haven't seen these since the LA trip.
For real?
Since the LA trip.
Oh man, this
Hey,
one.
the second one, not the third one.
I know. What?
I made that.
Bench that bitch.
Get them gains. I'm about to be hella buff.
It's a little small, man.
You're a little small.
Hella big.
Shout out to Basin S14.
Oh.
I drove
Keep his 2JZ swapped S14. Shit's sick as fuck.
See.
I'm just gonna paint it clear.
Okay.
Nah, I wanna paint it white.
Alright, we're gonna be changing the bearings now. These two look pretty good. This one looks a little worn.
Come on, like butter.
These are pretty good. But we're just gonna change them because I had some spares. I didn't even know they had oil squirters. That's fucking fire.
Oh my god, you got a God. Oh my god.
Alright, now we're gonna change the bearings on the carrier thing for the crank. Then we'll lube everything up and then drop the crank in. It's a little worn in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see that. These are pretty good, but better safe than sorry. D got some main studs. Hella fire.
They used to be headsets.
Little overkill, but he might boost in the future, so we're gonna do it anyways. Ooh, look at that. Okay, okay.
Just run them like that.
Yo, crank going in.
That way. In more. One in.
There it is.
Oh, it was hella slippery. I just felt it.
We're gonna do 3 stages: 20 foot-pound, 40, and then 60. Day 2. We're about to drop in the pistons because we didn't have that tool right there. The C-clip tool. Yeah.
Like that?
Fuck that wrist pin. Yeah, we're about to disassemble the old one so we can reuse the connecting rods. Put new bearings.
These rods still look good too.
Yeah.
They won't break. No run on.
Just put silicone on it.
Yeah, they're fine.
Almost
These
ready.
are the eBay pistons. See how good they are?
They're not eBay.
New rings and everything, so let's get this shit cracking.
Hey, those
This fool got paint too. Ooh, hell yeah. Like sexy. We don't have a Honer. They went to Harbor Freight to get one, but I guess they're hella popular, so they sold out.
hella
Yep.
went 3 times.
Yeah, they went 3 times, but fuck it.
They didn't have shit.
The walls look fine, so we'll just continue on.
And you flip that and then stick these little thingies in there.
Yep. He knows what he's doing. Breaks it.
You got it. And on top.
You just take off those C-clips. There's one on each side. We're about to...
There, Luis, want to hammer it?
There it is. Okay, okay. Engine builder, guys. You better come and take off a piston.
Oh, bro.
Right
now.
You got 6 of them you gotta do on yours.
6?
BQ gun. We got all the bearings in on the connecting rods. About to install the pistons. It's a little much, bro.
Ah,
Oh,
more than
yeah, you got a vape on that. Then we're about to put the oil rings, the second compression, and the first compression ring. So that's next. We measured the end gaps on the top ring, and they all checked out fine. The second one's a little too tight, so we're gonna file it little by little. It's like 0.7 millimeters too tight, so we'll just barely scuff it. It should be fine. About to measure our last ring. We just filed some down. They were a little tight. The second ring was a little tight. What we read online, that's minimum 0.45 millimeter. There it is. Look at that. Fuck eBay. They're too tight.
Yeah.
nah, bro.
Nah, man. Nah,
I
brother.
like my piston rings tight.
Oh.
What?
Hey, ladies. Let's install the piston rings on the pistons now. We got all the rings in. Let's drop in these pistons.
Aluminum
Fuck
internals.
yeah.
This is why we're rebuilding the block.
Bad
Bad timing.
Ooh,
Half-assed
look
timing.
at that crack.
All the way down to the middle. Everything in now.
Ooh, look at
pistons
that.
in.
Got them all in.
What the hell? This looks the
We're
same.
about to torque down the
No, I just
connecting
torqued- look.
rods.
Ready?
Snap on, guy. I don't know what the torque specs, but we're gonna find out right now.
No, the torque
One
specs.
To the beat. You stupid.
It sounds like a Honda.
Yeah.
It starts. Oh, which one's compression stroke? It's like.
Yeah, I'm lost, man.
I'm lost, man. I think we're really off on timing. What the fuck's back there?
You guys were out here the whole time?
What the hell? You're still painting?
Hey, what's up, man?
You're still painting?
What's up with it? What's up?
What's up, bro?
Yeah, dude, I've been painting since last night.
Good easy, man.
Brakes lens.
Right. No, man. What the hell? You touched it? Fucking hater. Look at that.
Oh, damn.
It should go past gay.
It goes all the way down here. You can see the line.
You like that?
Sheesh. And it's the penis piston.
Shout out Mike for the Honda Bond. This fool just used it on the rear main. He's gotta go take the head off at his house and then bring it by.
Oh, look at this guy.
So we could time it and shit.
They can't see you.
It's all good. You can hear me though, right?
Look, he said.
Look, shut that off.
Let's go update on the paint. Painting my trash can white.
We should have put
Damn,
like something
sick
on it.
ass. Look at that.
There's hella bugs though. Like all the dude, when I came there was a spider web.
Oh, yeah.
But
I
it's
mean, you are on top of a trash
I
bag.
already
Bash bar gang.
Bash bar game.
He brought the head. Bad news. The idler sprocket is stripped. And this is from the block he bought. The dude that sold it to us is a fucking capper. So we're gonna see if we could try to save it. Or try to like rethread it. These are the cams from the old engine he had.
Yeah, they're still hella healthy.
They're still good because the ones that came with them, they were all scored and even the caps are scored. Head studs are in. Head gasket on.
Hella in.
Top dead center. He painted the timing covers. Ooh, look at that. Hell yeah. Clean your head. Later. Okay.
You didn't have to flex
Ladies,
on that,
look at this. It's the traps. They got the head torqued last night. This is too sketchy, man. I guess that's a common problem. So I found this at O'Reilly's. Some heli coils. Found out the size. M12 by 1.25. Got some brand new drill bits. Cleaning out some brake cleaner. I'm gonna try it out before they get here. Probably like within the hour. Look who showed up. The infamous Johnny from 𝖚𝖚𝖒𝖒𝖊𝖃.
Fuck you don't even know how to do this shit.
He's here to help us, bro. Look at this fool. Just comes on the last day of the rebuild to put a little tensioner on. Fucking guy. I helped. Yeah, bro. I rebuilt an engine. I just insert the heli coil. Fucking. It works. Hey, comment below if we could delete this or something. I don't know what the fuck it is. Even this little vacuum hose, look, it just goes back in. Like, what the fuck is that? Well, the reason for this whole fucking rebuild, this fool's freeze plug popped off.
No.
Look at it. The only new
It
one.
was this one. It was on the
Oh,
other
really?
head.
Oh, it was on the head?
Then
Why does this one look
new?
Yeah, that one looks brand new, dude. That popped off.
And then that happened.
Oh. Yeah. Don't show that. You could probably run 10 feet like
Low key.
reliably.
I think my pistons,
0 mile?
my rods will go up before my pistons do though.
Is that the tensioner or is that the tensioner?
There's two.
Oh, is there?
I scared you.
What the? Hey, man. Fuck you. Johnny's leaving to go see his lady. Peace, bro. This fool just picked this up. A fucking piggy.
My girl got mad at me, so.
Oh! Already?
We haven't even bought it yet.
Look at this fool. It came with a
Free
cage.
hentai sticker.
Oh, okay.
Dude, this car came with pussy, man.
Damn, okay.
No crack
Legit
dash?
brides. No crack dash.
DaChief fucking.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, I did the Honda mod. Ew, take that shit off. Let me see.
Hey, look at the Honda mod.
Dude, this fool came with the cage. Look at that shit.
2 batteries.
Woo, legit Optima.
This is mine.
No crack
And a
Angus,
small
though?
one. A
It
little
came with this,
Honda.
too.
I don't know what this is.
Ooh, I don't know what this is.
It looks like a gun.
Part of the 40 gang now.
Hell yeah.
40 gang
or no gang?
Yeah, no more VQ. Shit, fuck a VQ. He's all sad stuff. Sad guy over there.
We're both gonna
What the? Start kissing them. Literally, my car was like this, all black. So it brings back memories. It's pretty sick. Took like 2 years for mine to build mine like that. So
Make
this
it look like that in a week.
literally.
Nah, I'm
Shit
broke.
looks sick though.
I'm broke.
I like your oil pan, G.
Tomorrow, it's getting dropped in. Should start right away. We at D's house right now. About the block. Hell yeah. Let's do it, bro. There it is. Now to take off these old ones.